Hello everyone, so we have been doing exercise 5e. Now we are going to do question number 24. Okay, so here it says a train covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 15 km per hour more, okay, more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the train. Okay, so here what is happening, speed is x kilometer per hour, distance is this, then time will be this. Then in next case, if speed is increased by 15 kilometer, okay, per hour, then in that case time will be this. Okay, so here obviously the one which is moving with more speed will take less time. So here t2 will be less than t1. Okay, t2 will be less than t1. Now t2 will be less than t1 by how much? So that would be calculated by t1 minus t2, and that will be equal to 30 minutes. Okay, but 30 minutes in hours, it will be how much? Half an hour. Okay, so let us see the solution. Solution case 1. Okay, so here we'll write s1 x kilometer per hour, distance 90 kilometer, then t1 will be distance over s1, so 90 upon x hours. Why? Because kilometer and kilometer cancelled. Case 2. Okay, so here speed is increased by 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, and distance 90 kilometer, then t2 will be d upon this, so 90 upon x plus 15 hours. Okay, clearly, okay, the one which moves with more speed will take less time, yes or no? So t2 will be less than t1. So according to question, how much less is this t2? So t1 minus t2 is 30 minutes less. That means since this t1 and t2 are in hours, so I have to write, instead of 30 minutes we'll write in hours. That means 30 by 60 hours. Okay, so now substitute the values. For t1 we have 90 upon x, and for this we have 90 upon x plus 15, and this becomes half. Now 90 will come out as common, so 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 15 is equal to half. Now what you do, inside the bracket cross multiply, so you get now you can see that x cancelled, yes, so you got 90 into 15, and down you get x square plus 15x and half. Okay, now cross multiply, so you get 90 into 15 into 2 is equal to x square plus 15x. Now you get x square plus 15x is equal to this 15 into 30 and 90, so 90 into 30 you get 2700. Okay, then you get x square plus 15x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here we have 1, here we have minus 2700. So we get minus 2700. Think of two numbers whose product is minus 2700 and sum is 15. Okay. So let me do prime factorization. So 1 ja, 3 ja, 5 ja, 0 ja, 6, 7, 5, 1 ja, then 3 ja, then this 5 ja, 2 ja, 7 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. Okay, so if you check over here, 2 2 ja, 4, okay, 4 5 ja, 20, 20 into 3 will give you 60, and this 5 3 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45. Okay, so 60 minus 45 will give you 15, and when you take the product of this 16 and minus 45, then you will get exactly 2700. So we got two numbers. So you get x square plus 60x minus 45x minus this is equal to 0. Now x is common, so get x plus 60 over here, and here 45 x plus 60 is equal to 0. So you get x plus 60 and x minus 45 is equal to 0. Now x plus 60 is equal to 0, or x minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, so we get x equal to minus 60, x is equal to 45. Yes, so you know that x is your speed. Yes or no? X is your speed, so speed cannot be negative. Therefore x equal to 45 kilometer per hour. And in question what they want you to write down, find the original speed of the train. So original speed of the train we got 45 kilometer per hour. Okay,